Hi everyone, welcome to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix unstable internet connection on TikTok using iPhone. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're going through unstable internet connection error on your TikTok app, then here are some easy troubleshooting methods you could try out. The first thing to do is to check the TikTok server and make sure the problem is at your end rather than an issue with the TikTok server. In order to check that, open up your Safari web browser. In the search box, type in downdetector.com and search. You'll end up in the official site of Down Detector by Ookla. Go to the search box at the top and type in TikTok in the search bar and search. If there is any problems with the TikTok server, you'll be able to know it right here on this page. Once you are done making sure that the problem is on your end, you can try using a VPN. Simply go ahead and download any VPN that you would like to use by going to your app store and searching for the best VPN you could try out. Download the VPN that you would like to get from the option, and once you are done installing a VPN, go ahead and turn it on and try opening up your TikTok app now. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to check for available updates for your TikTok app. To do so, simply go open up your app store from your iOS device. Bring up the search box and search for TikTok in the search bar. If you see an update button popping up right next to your TikTok app, simply tap on the update button to get the download for your TikTok. Once you give it a latest update, simply tap on the open button and launch Open TikTok app and see if that fixes your network error. Another thing you should do is to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. If you already are connected to one, simply switch between Wi-Fi or mobile network. Once you make this change, you might be able to fix your issue right away. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try whenever you are going through unstable internet connection error on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Stay tuned till then.